Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be focusing on DocuSign and how to sign and send your documents. So let's just proceed. Now before we begin, you can get 30 days free trial and unlock all of the features on the platform using the link in the description below. So since this video is focused on signatures and initials, I'm going to be showing you how exactly you can do that. And if you also want to integrate stamp, we do have that option as well. So to add your signature, you need to simply click on this signature option, and you can see now we can easily add it at any point. And let's just add it in here. If you want to add another signature, you can see I have already done. You can add your initials as well, and this is also going to be looking really good. To send it, you can see we have this finish option. If you want to check name, first name, last name, you can confirm everything in here. And of course, if you go one step back, you will get an option to simply choose the recipients, and from there you can select the person that you want to send this to. So you can see if I wait for a couple of seconds, and this is ready to sign, and we can simply set recipients for this as well. So this is added in here, and yeah, so this is how easy it is to send. All you do is simply sign this document and send it. So I hope this helps. See you guys in the next video.